In this video, I am going to show you how to join the TikTok Creativity Program beta from any country, plus some important tips. The most important part is that you will be able to get paid, so you won't waste your time. The main reason everyone is talking about the Creativity Program is because people are making over $5,000 monthly, and it's probably the best way to make some money online right now. An important tip here is that for the videos to qualify, they should be more than 1 minute long. First of all, who is eligible? You need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and a minimum of 100,000 views in the last 30 days. But on TikTok, that's super easy to achieve. Also, according to TikTok, you should be located in one of these regions: the US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Korea, and Japan. However, I'll show you how to bypass that. Now I will show you how to join the TikTok Creativity Program beta from any country. The most important part is that you will be able to get paid. An important tip here is to use a clean spare phone for this. I have gotten the best results using an iPhone. A used, cheap one will work fine. Just make sure it's unlocked. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. First, remove the SIM card. The TikTok app can tell which SIM card brand you are using and the country code for that SIM card. Next, uninstall the TikTok app. This will help you delete any information you have in the app. Then, change your phone's language to English. Turn off your phone's location. Change your region to the region you want to focus on, for example, the US. After doing these steps, restart your phone. If you're using an iPhone, check that your Apple ID is from the US. If it's not, create a new Apple ID on your computer and choose the United States as your region. You'll be asked for a phone number. You can use your own. Then, use this new Apple ID on your iPhone. After that, just reinstall TikTok. Remember, if you have questions, please let me know in the comments. I am happy to help. The next step is to create a TikTok account, and here you have two options. The first option is to use a VPN to create an account. If you want a free one, I would suggest Atlas VPN. If you want the best one, use NordVPN. It's really important that you use the TikTok app on your phone to create and access your account. Never use a desktop computer. Using a computer to create the account might cause issues with your account. The second option is to buy a TikTok account from US TikTok account. Their TikTok accounts are guaranteed to work, or they will refund 100% of your payment. If you are interested in this option, I got you a 20% discount code. A link with the discount for that site will be in the description. The next step is to verify the account. But before we continue, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and allows me to create more content like this. To verify that your account can join the Creativity Program, simply log into your account. Once you're in, click on the three dots at the top right, then click on Creator Tools. Now, as you can see, the Creativity Program is right under monetization. When we click on it, we can see that it's available. And yeah, we just need to reach our 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Before posting, I recommend you to interact with the TikTok app using your new account. Watch some videos, like, follow, and save videos. This will let TikTok know that you are not a bot that will just spam content. Now that you have your US TikTok account and you interacted with the app, the next step is to start posting videos. What I recommend is to buy a US SIM card. T-Mobile works great, and it's really affordable on Amazon. If you are not able to buy a US SIM card, you can use a VPN instead. However, if you choose to use a VPN, I highly recommend requesting a dedicated IP address. This way, you won't risk being shadow banned. If you cannot do either of the previous two options, you can still post without a SIM and without a VPN. Some people have had success doing just that. All the links are in the description. Now an important tip. If TikTok asks you for permission to access your contacts, track activities across other apps, or location, don't allow it. This is really important. To get paid, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to create an account that has the TikTok Creativity Program available. Then, you must accumulate 10,000 followers and a minimum of 100,000 views. After that, you must provide your identification documents. It does not matter if they are not from the US. Now, once you have verified your ID, here comes the hard part. You need to verify your tax information so you can actually withdraw the money from TikTok. But don't worry, I have two solutions for this, so you'll be covered no matter where you're from. The first option is to create an LLC in the US. There are many agencies offering this service, and they can do it for an average of $200 USD. This cost is relatively low considering the amount of money you can generate on TikTok. In case you don't want to create the LLC, you could simply create the TikTok account in the United Kingdom or France. They are also included in the list of approved countries and don't require you to add any tax information to send you the money. A tip here is to create the account for the United Kingdom because they have a higher revenue than France. And the videos will also reach the US audience, which has the highest revenue on TikTok. If you are interested in creating the UK TikTok account, do everything as I told you before, but instead of setting everything for the US, set everything to the UK. If you need help with anything, let me know in the comments. Now for the last and final step, which is the easiest one, you need to link your payout method, which can be your PayPal account. And now, your PayPal account, it doesn't matter where it's made from, you can make it from any country in the world because TikTok really doesn't care. Now, if you want to know what kind of content works great for the TikTok creativity program, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing videos on some fantastic niches. Don't miss out on that. Thank you for watching.